What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of fixing corrupt update files on Steam. Open the Steam client on your computer, go to the top left corner, and click on Steam. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on Downloads, click on Clear Download Cache, confirm the action when prompted. This will log you out of Steam, so you'll need to log back in. Now let's go back again to our Steam and go to the settings once again. Now from here, let's go to storage. Click on that. On your storage summary over here, click the three dots beside it. Then on the options, click on repair library and it will prompt confirmation to start repairing your library. And lastly, ensure your Steam client is updated to the latest version.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.